When you think of fall hair, what do you think of? Well, what I don't think of is hard, stiff curls, bogged down with a lot of gel and a lot of product. I think light and airy and fluffy, and it reminds me of just like the leaves changing colors and the leaves blowing in the wind. That's what this means. This means leaves blowing in the wind. That's what I think of when I think of fall hair, which is why in October, I've focused on hashtag fall into fluff, meaning fluffy hair. This has been our focus for the month of October. Hey, Crafts and Curls. This is my hashtag 2024 curl vlog mid-month check-in, mid-ish. So in October, my theme is focused on fluffy styles, and the challenge is to not use any gel. We've succeeded in that. We've not used any, do we use? No. We've not used any gel. We focused on mousse and leave-in conditioners and just using products that are light and fluffy to our hair so that Janae can be light and fluffy. And it's been amazing. This right here is a mousse set. And look how fluffy she is. This is pretty much straight out of the scarf. I mean, I took her out of the scarf and did a few things around the house, but this is my first time actually putting my fingers in my hair to give her a little bit of a fluff. So Janae looks amazing. And if you didn't know, she had a cut. She's a lot shorter. She's a lot shorter and stacked up. My goal has always been to have a bob, shorter in the back and longer in the front. And before having a curly cut, I've always had to tuck and manipulate and pat my hair to get into the shape that I wanted. But now with the curly cut, I'm able to fluff and it just falls into its place based on the way that my hair curls and based on the way that my hair is cut. So I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So we have fallen into fluffy styles. This has been amazing. Here are some of the products that we've used. Cool, right? Here's some of the hairstyles that we've had. Also cool, right? I know. What have I noticed during my fall into fluff season? Well, I have noticed that Janae and functional frizz go good together. I have noticed that Janae is very versatile. She can do all the things. If I want fully defined hair, HD hair, high definition, she can do that too. But this is just with a mousse. This is with a mousse, one product. And I have the best of both worlds. I have the functional frizz as well as the high definition. I mean, look at her move. Right? So for today's style, I can either leave her like this, or I can go in with one of my DIY hair combs. And this was actually created in April. This was the April, I think it was the April, or was it March? This was one of the challenges in the beginning of the year where I created 5 different hair accessories that I could use. And so I think I'm going to use this one today. And I think I'm going to tuck this side back, fluff this out a little bit more. Take my glasses off. I can't see, but the glasses are getting in the way. I'm going to push this back. I'm going to take this comb and push it in backwards, because that's the way you put in a tuck comb, a decorative tuck comb. And so the backdrop is my hair. That way you can see all the different beads and bling that I have. I put my glasses on so they can see what it actually looks like. Ooh. I like it, I like it. So this side will continue to do what it's doing. And this goes here. Here. I think it goes right there. I'll put it there. I love it. I love it. We have been doing 2024 curl vlog for 10 months, focusing on a specific area for our hair and getting charged with a new challenge every single month. So next month is no different. It's going to be another new challenge. I'm excited about it as well. I think we're going to do something with creams. It's starting to be winter. We're going into winter months and winter season. I want to focus on nourishment for my hair for the winter. So my styles for the different seasons change a little bit. Like with the fall, release the gel. So we are releasing one of the steps and making our routine on Wednesdays and Saturdays a little bit easier by not putting on gel. And then for November, that season is going to change a little bit by implementing more creams into my style. So yeah, but we're not there yet. We're still focused on fall with the leaves changing colors and everything being so flowy and fluttery. It's windy in the fall. It's a lot of winds in the fall. I think what I'm going to do for my next wash, which is tomorrow, I hate to wash this style away, but it looks so good. I am going to stay on track, keep focus, meaning continue with my regularly scheduled washes so that I can hydrate her all over again. And this is just mousse, so I can put mousse on here again, but I may add pops of color just to resemble the little leaves changing colors. There'll be some fall colors, and I may do that tomorrow. So check it out in the shorts or right here on YouTube so that you can see what I come up with. Janet and Janae are saying bye for now.